What's up, everyone? I have been sitting at this computer all week working on maps and fun other projects that I will be sharing soon sometime. I don't know when I can, but soon. But I gotta get off this computer. So we're talking pencil, paper, POSCA markers. I got a new set of markers after completely destroying them on a giant grip tape artwork. So I'm excited to use some of these new colors and have some fun illustrating something that is not on the computer. Let's go. Okay, I'm here in my wife JC's studio where she runs her company, Band of Weirdos. She's got this nice big work table that doesn't have any computers on it, so I can spread out and work on this illustration. But what am I going to be drawing? Well, I've been working a ton, but we've also been taking breaks to watch The Witcher on Netflix, and we just finished it. I enjoyed it quite a bit. Wasn't sure at first, but then came around to it. Ended up really liking it. And yeah, I think I want to draw Geralt. Geralt, is that it? Geralt? It doesn't roll off the tongue. Geralt of Rivia and his horse Roach. So I don't think I'm going to have any problems drawing Geralt, but Roach, the horse. Horses are hard to draw. So my challenge for this illustration is to draw a good looking horse, do Roach justice. So I spent a little bit of time in my sketchbook figuring out the illustration already. Had to figure out what Superman was gonna look like and also kind of figure out how to draw a horse a little bit. So I think I've got it. Enough talking, time to jump in and start penciling on papering. What? Alright, here we are, pencils completed. So these are really messy and smudged up, my hand's all smudged. My idea was that, Geralt is like this dude who like walks in and just like goes into danger without thinking twice, but he does care about his friend Roach. So he says, "Hold on, buddy, I'll be right back. Let me go kill this monster and then we'll continue with our adventure going wherever we go." I don't know if Roach's pose is the best, but like I said before, drawing horses is super difficult, and this is me just going for it. I added just a really simple graphic background because I think the cool thing about Posca markers is how solid the color goes down, so just having these nice blocks of solid color behind everything will look really cool. I hope. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is raining really hard outside right now, and I have my best friend here who is not as brave as Roach is, so we're just going to hang out and draw with some Posca markers. Right, Ollie? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. All right, time to start coloring stuff in. Okay, so what I love, love, love about POSCA markers is it feels like I'm drawing a screen print. You kind of have to think about it in layers of flat color, which is what I do most of the time for work, whether it's t-shirts or skateboards or whatever. So I haven't really done any like line work yet. I'm saving that for last. Like this stage coming up is going to be the line work. So I have my finer black marker that I'm going to go over all the details with and hopefully make this look like an actual illustration instead of just some blobs of color. So yeah, POSCA markers, coloring. This, I'm just in heaven right now. I love it. Haha. And there we go. All right, little Witcher Roach. Okay, so this thing isn't perfect, but I had a lot of fun making these little cartoon versions of Geralt and Roach. I really enjoyed the show a surprising amount, but you know, now that I'm thinking about it, Geralt is supposed to be like this no emotions dude, but you gotta have emotions if you love your horse that much, you know what I mean? Anyway, let me know if you have any questions about this process, you know, sketching and then penciling and then POSCA markering. Always love seeing what you think and replying to your comments and stuff. So leave me a comment down below. I am very, very excited about my next POSCA marker video. It's something that's been in the works for a long time, and I'm getting close to being able to finally like put the time in to do it. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to show you. So hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to be notified when new videos go up. I got lots of cool ideas coming. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what I should draw next, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!